With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Let us see what the question says. Select the property which is not for metals. A. Metals are good conductors of electricity. B. Metals are malleable and ductile. C. Non-polar covalent compounds are formed by metals. And D. Metals have 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons. Now, let us see one by one. A. Metals are good conductors of electricity. Yes, metals are good conductors of electricity because for being a good conductor, source of free electrons is required. Source of free electrons on the surface is required. And metals do have free electrons on their surface. That is why it is a property of a metal. Next, option B. Metals are malleable and ductile. Yes, metals are malleable and ductile because they can be easily broken and into their smaller pieces, and they can be easily transformed into thin sheets. Easily transformed into thin sheets. That shows their ductility, and can be broken into smaller pieces. That shows their malleability. That is why this is also a property of metal. B is also a property of metal. Option C. Non-polar covalent compounds are formed from metals. No. Non-polar covalent compounds are not formed from metals. Polar covalent compounds or ionic compounds are formed from metals because metals share electrons unequally in a bond. Always they share electrons unequally in a bond. When some substance shares electron equally in a bond, they form covalent compounds. Okay. Metals share electrons unequally in a bond. That is why they are polar in nature, and polar covalent compounds or ionic compounds are formed. So C is not a property of metal. C is not a property of metal. And D, metals have 1, 2 or 3 valence electron. Yes, for example, sodium, calcium and aluminium. All three are metals, and they have, sodium has 1 valence electron, calcium has 2 valence electrons, and aluminium has 3 valence electron. So fourth is also a property of a metal. So out of all the 4 options given, C is not a property of metal. C is not a property of metal. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.